Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. Welcome to Web Piano Teacher 90s Lead Sheets. Let's get to this awesome song, Interstate Love Song by STP. We all remember it, right? Then the verse, waiting on a sunny afternoon, what I read between the lines. All right, fun stuff. You got to do the hero, of the 90s. It's so fun. I love it. And 90s is oldies now. I can't stand that, but I love the 90s. I was working out in the gym in the 90s, and I heard all the songs coming on the radio. It just reminds me of, being young and having a good time. So great stuff. Well, let's get to this. And guys, by the way, you can try my 90s lead sheet course on webpianoteacher.com, where you can actually learn to play piano using fun songs. Okay, these are kind of beginner lessons that's going to work for you as you're learning. All right, so let's learn that first riff. Here we go. Here it is right here. And this is kind of a hybrid of the way my whiteboard method and learning to play by chords, okay? So if there's a cool riff, I'm going to write it out. Otherwise, we're just going to use chords, and I'm going to show you what chords are. Don't worry. Show you what chords mean, okay? So we're doing this Interstate Love Song, and I've also done Swallowed by Bush, and what's the other one? Better Man, Pearl Jam. Lots more lined up as well. So that's for $1 on the website. You can try that course. But let's learn this lick here on piano. It works on piano. Can you believe that? It's a guitar lick, but it works on piano. All right, so let's look at the right hand first. All right, so we're going to start with a D and E, and I hope you at least know what the names of the notes are. If you don't, there's only 7 of them, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and they repeat over and over again. You can find that out real quick on the web if you don't even know the names of the notes. But D, E, I'm going to start with, I'm going to use my fingers 4 and 5 because of what's coming up. I know they're the weaker fingers, but it's just going to work out better for us if we use D, E with 4 and 5. And then I'm going to go C sharp, E. So a sharp is just, just raising a note a half step, and usually it'll be a black key. Not always, but most of the time. So this is a C, this is a C sharp. So E and C sharp. So D and E, C sharp and E. Notice I'm using my pinky every time on that E. E, E, E. So then I'm going to go to B, E with 2, 5. And then A, E, dun, 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 dun. Okay? Now let's put our left hand with it. And that is the bass guitar. Okay? So you have this stuff going on there. There's no piano in this song, right? But it still sounds good on piano. But you have electric guitar, and then you have the bass player. And sometimes you need to include the bass with it. So if you ever notice that, if you're trying to play a guitar part and this doesn't sound right, maybe you need to add that bass part in there, and that'll pull it together for you, okay? So D, I'm doing it way down low. Okay, D, C sharp, B, A. Notice it's following the same notes that the alto are following there. So D. Make sure you change your pedal each time. Don't do this, because that'll sound awful, okay? Change your pedal. Okay? You can even, on the D, you can go C sharp, you can go C sharp to D. This is for a little more advanced players, because I think the guitar players are doing that a little bit. They're kind of sliding up on the neck, so it makes it sound like that. Okay, work on that. Bum, 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 bum. Then another E, and then G sharp, A, B, E, 2, 1, 3, 5. Da, 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 da. That's right, that right there. E, G sharp, A, B, E. Okay, so on the left hand, I'm just going to go G sharp, A, B. And if you want to leave that E out, you can. It's not going to hurt too much. But if you can put it in there, it's even better. Okay? So slow motion. So you have, again. So, all right, that's the first little that part. Now we're going to do some chords and some rhythms. And like I said, if I have a lick or something, I'm going to write that out, and it's kind of the note so that you have it exactly right. And then when it's just chords, we're just going to play from a chord sheet. And I make my own chord sheets because none of them are right on the internet. If you've ever searched for them, you know that. So I'll make my own because I don't, they're just not right most of the time. So I like to have them to be correct. All right, so now I'm going to do E, and then I'm going to go low E on the pinky down here. And then I'm going to hit E, G sharp, B, E. Da, like that. Ba, 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 ba. And I'm going to go together, right, left, right. Now I have a squiggly line there because I'm just saying vamp. But if you don't know how to vamp, that's why I'm showing you this. Together, right, left, right. Just kind of playing the drums on the piano. Da, 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 da. Together, right, left, right, right, left, right, right. Something like that. Then you do it again. Da, 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 da. Now here the bass guitar goes. Ba, 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 ba. If you want to put that in there. If you're a beginner, you don't have to add this part. But if you want, E, G sharp, B, E. Ba, 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 ba. And if you want to put a little hook there and do G natural, G sharp. You have. So ba 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 da ba. This is what we have. We have again. Oh, sorry. All right, and then we have the chords, and I show you the verse and the chorus all the way through the chords, not only the chords and how to make them, but how to play rhythms with them all the way through. We do that on the website. You can try it out for $1, and I'm planning to have tons of 90s on there. Love the 90s, but we're starting out with Interstate, Highway, Swallowed by Bush, and what's that third one? Better Man, Pearl Jam. So much fun. See you on the website, and you can learn beginner lessons through these, okay? Because I'm putting them on a level where you don't have to be, a musical genius to be able to do them. And I'm gonna hold your hand, take you through, and you actually learn to play piano using these fun songs from the 90s. That's the idea. All right, guys. Talk to you later.